These are all boxes. They're really cute. Little Callie wants an entire series of Promised Neverland books.
Oh, it's pretty funny. Why haven't they thought of that?
805-350-6120. On Saturday or Monday?
Sounds good. I would like this book. It's a coloring book. A sweary coloring book. Has anybody read this Jackie Collins book?
Exclusive cards in Costco. Have a good night.
Leave me a comment if you want me to do a Gelson's shopping haul. I am excited to finally get a salad spinner just like Emily Mariko, so I'm going to be able to spin and clean all my veggies and fruits. Whee! This is something that I want. Snapware. Actually, I like this one a lot better with the glass. This one's glass and the other one's plastic. I want those knives still. This is pretty cool. The Ninja Grounds and Pods coffee maker. Get a surfboard, longboard, 8 feet long for $99.99. Damn. Or a boogie board for $29.99. Look at these cute little tequila bottles. Jalisco, $49.99. That's another pretty tequila, 76. That used to be my favorite, Don Julio Reposado, $44.99. Of course, we're getting a pumpkin pie.
Remember to not get too much because this place doesn't have bags.
Lightly, but these are supposed to be like the Chick-fil-A ones. $24 free-range eggs for $8. You can't beat that. Little Callie loves this organic seaweed. It comes with 9, 10 in a pack. Getting some Kirkland organic tortilla chips. $5.69. We also got this big, huge bundle of bananas for $1.99. Costco. We spent $57.29 at Costco. We're going to be making Callie's mini chicken pot pies. Here's what you're going to need. Some puffed pastry sheets, some mixed vegetables, a can of chunk chicken breast, 2 small cans or 1 large can of cream of chicken and mushroom soup. If you only have cream of mushroom or cream of chicken, that'll work as well. If you want to make the mini version, you're going to need a cupcake pan. We also got our Fonda Foods German butter, made in Germany. Oh yeah. Fancy butter. If you haven't seen our Fancy Butter series, be sure to check that out. I'm going to spray the bottom of our cupcake pan, just like that. Drain the water out of your chicken breast. I suppose you could use tuna if you wanted to as well. Same thing, drain it. Depending on how you want your chicken, you can leave it on the right side. That's how, when you just dump it right out of the can, if you want the chunks of that in your chicken pot pie. I like to shred mine up like this on the left. So you can do either one. Got our chicken. Gonna put in our bag of veggies. Your 2 cans of soup. 2 cans of soup. Some pepper. Some sea salt. Combine all your ingredients. So I'm cutting my little dough into little pieces like that. And then popping it into the bottom of the tray. We got our German butter. Take a little teaspoon of butter. And cut it up and put a little tiny piece in the bottom. Little German butter. We're going to take a nice little scoop of our chicken veggie soup mixture and plop it in there. This time I cut an even smaller piece of dough and stretched it a little bit and then just kind of formed it right around the top. All right, we got them all top. I'm going to put a little dot of butter on. There we go, a little dash of butter on top, and they're ready to pop in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Had a whole bunch of leftover extra stuff, and I have this groovy banana split pan. If you want to do this in the dish, you can. Just spray your dish. Line your little dish. Scoop your ingredients in. Voila, top it with the pastry and top it with some butter. Into the oven with our already bubbling chicken pot pie. All right, they're done. They're not the prettiest looking things in the world, but hey, looking pretty dang good. Let's give one a try. Look at that. My flash is low, so I can't really show you how good it looks. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. That is so damn good. You gotta make these mini pot pies. They're incredible.